Okay, this is Cyril Ramaphosa, living for DRC today, 07 July 2023. What you learn on this video is that this is an army barrack. Ndokwanosumukira ndozvinoita mapresident ese masvinu mapresident anosumukira kuma army barracks. Look, he's just waving to those guys there, those 5 soldiers there. There is no rally, there is nothing. Vanhu vari kumabasa hakuna zvezvekuti unokwidza vanhu mabhazi, you bus people where you kunondiperekedza, come and bid me farewell as if you're not gonna come back. This is government business. Unoenda uri one, simple. Look, 5 soldiers, he's greeting them there. Hapana zvokuti watora vanhu kuairport uko, you bus them, then you bring them kuairport to fake kuti vanhu vanokuda. You are doing government duty. You don't need to prove a point to the rest of the people. No, just do your duty. The results will show off. You see, ari kuenda kukongo izvezvi apa on a state visit. The results must speak for themselves. You don't need to make it a fun thing. You're just wasting government resources. Okay, look, kutaura nawo zviri simple. Simple. Just a greeting. Kwaudza kuti arume ndiri kuenda kubasa. Muzare zvakanaka.
So when are we going to have a president who is going to prioritize, number one, resources of the country, number two, who is not going to bring the whole government to the airport when he's leaving the country, when he's arriving into the country, wasting resources which can be used to fund the healthcare, resources which can be used to fund the infrastructure development, which can be used for social development, social services to the people of Zimbabwe. That is the question we have. When are we going to have a serious president, a president who is going to deal with matters, not deal with personal matters? So, Team Zimbabwe, we really need to vote. Vote for a president who is not fearful. Vote for a president who is loved. Vote for a president who is respected. You don't demand respect from people. People must respect you. People must honor you. People must love you. People must follow you. But if you are a president who forces people to love you, who forces people to respect you, it's a problem. This 2023, we are having elections. Let us vote for Advocate Nelson Chamisa, a proven leader, a leader who can lead Zimbabweans, a leader who can unite Zimbabweans, a leader who is loved by the people. Go to the military, they love Chamisa. Go to the police, they love Chamisa. Go to the prisons, they love Chamisa. Go to the nurses, the hospitals, they love Nelson Chamisa. Go everywhere, citizens, they love Nelson Chamisa. The civil service, they love Nelson Chamisa. That is the reason why you have seen ZANU-PF not pay them well, because they voted for Chamisa in 2018 elections. Right now, they've been being punished for the past years, but they'll vote for Chamisa as well, because economic development should not be premised on a name, but on a real action.